Right. Welcome, everyone. My name is AngieFitnessTV, and I've been teaching rebounding for 27 years. One of my go-to favorite all-time rebounders is the Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder. I am on it, and I own literally most rebounders on market. Bellicon, Jump Sport, Acon, Fit Bounce Pro, Leaps and Rebounds, Newen, you name it, I own all the rebounders on market. I truly love the leaps and rebounds. One, you're going to notice I'm wearing a knee brace. Yes, I had an old injury from when I was in my 20s. I'm 52. I've been able to manage it this long time, but now I'm in a knee brace. I'm in compression pants, and it's time to get it fixed. So I'm getting ready to get an MRI, and I might or might not need surgery, depending on my find. But I have to do all things low impact. So I love the Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder. First of all, rebounding is low impact. It is joint friendly. It is phenomenal to help aid in detoxing the body, the lymphatic system, to maintain immune health and support on a cellular level. There are so many things rebounding does. Also, if you have lymphedema, it is a beautiful addition to your lymphedema protocol. Also, if you have lymphedema, you are going to want to buy, when you work out, these compression pants. A lot of lymphedema patients wear them. They are called Fankas, F-A-N-K-A, Fanka, F-A-N-K-A. If you have any knee, ankle, hip, IT band issues, these are expensive. These are medical grade. These are compression pants. These are worth it. Y'all know I got a physical therapy background. Back to the rebounding, but it all goes hand in hand. There's so many people with lymphedema, had to have lymph nodes taken out. They rebound and they're looking, what can I do to help my body? So one, use the Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder. It is a BUNGEE rebounder. It is an entry-level rebounder. There's a lifetime warranty on the mat. There is a 30-day return policy, and there is financing if you cannot pay all at once. I love it. This particular one, I do believe I've had for 8 years now. I have their newer versions, but this is like my baby. And this is my go-to rebounder, maybe because it was my first love before I got the Bellicon and all of them. I'm 130 pounds. And this Leaps and Rebounds is 48 inch. It comes in 40 inch. I recommend the 48 inch. And this truly has been my staple. So once a year, I'll change the bungees because I utilize my rebounder all the time. And so I'll just change my bungees once a year because that's just something I do on all my rebounders. This is my original mat, you guys, from like 8 years ago. Like literally, this is, I promise you, my original mat. I'm not sponsored by the company. I'm in love with the company. Their customer service is phenomenal. So if you want to buy one, buy one. You're going to get 10% off with the code AngieFit, AngieFit. AngieFit. And, just reach out to me in the private group if you have any more questions, the rebounding group. Go in that description box below right now. And why don't you just join the rebounding group, buy yourself a rebounder, and let's bounce together, right? Sounds like fun. All right, you guys, it's been nice talking to each and every one of you, wherever you are in the world. And talk to me about your rebounding experience.